Welcome, everyone. Looking for reliable services and support for your devices? ALC-Tech has got you covered. First, ALC-Tech services benefits. With ALC-Tech, your devices are under warranty, and our services are entirely free. Second, instant spare parts. Accidents happen, but don't worry. Our warehouse is stocked with spare parts for quick replacements. Also, our on-site response time is within 2 working days. For repairing time recorder, the turnaround time is within 4 working days, otherwise, we'll replace it with a temporary loan unit. Third, exclusive discounts. We offer a fantastic 3% discount on printers' spare parts replacement and consumables. Fourth, preventive on-site service. We believe in proactive maintenance. That's why we provide up to 2 times preventive on-site service and checking to keep your devices running smoothly. With ALC-Tech's services, we have quick response and spare units ensure non-stop running of your operations.
Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, follows our Facebook's pages and visit our websites www.alcaidc.com.